I guess you can see that. Pink hive, honey going in, but also some brood, so I gotta put the queen excluder in. This is a queen excluder. It's used to keep the queen from coming up into the honey supers. It's a heavy box. So lots of brood. A lot of drone comb, which means they're healthy. The queen excluder is just big enough to let the bees through. As you can see, they're coming through, but the queen can't get through. Go, guys. Wow. This is the green hive. Completely filled super frame on the second frame. It's amazing how much honey they put in. Well, look at that, even more honey in the second super. White hive, some honey going in, but they haven't filled the second super at all. Ton of brood on this side. She's somewhere in here laying, I think. Another queen cell down here. Even more brood, another queen cell. Blue hive building out new comb, and there's eggs in this comb, which is great to see. Blue hive just starting to build comb. That's it. Hope you all have a good day. We're lucky to have a beautiful sunshiny day after some rain last night. The clouds rolling over. All right, let me see if I can figure out how to turn this off.